This is a major crackdown in Zimbabwe as 77 political activists are arrested. On June 16, 2024, Zimbabwean authorities arrested 78 members of the Citizens Coalition for Change, including interim leader Jameson Timber. These individuals had gathered peacefully at Timber's residence to commemorate the International Day of the African Child. Amnesty International has denounced this act, calling it a disturbing pattern of repression. Despite the peaceful nature of the gathering, police accused the group of intending to promote public violence. Among those detained were a nursing mother and a 17-year-old minor. Held for more than 48 hours without court appearance, this act violates Zimbabwean law. Amnesty International demands their immediate release and a transparent investigation into allegations of torture during custody. The international community watches closely as Zimbabwe faces calls to uphold human rights and freedoms. Stay tuned for updates as this critical situation unfolds. Let's stand together for justice and human rights.